Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to do double exposure in Picsart. To create double exposure in Picsart, open up the Picsart application on your mobile device and then from the home page tap on the plus button at the bottom, select a photo or a portrait that you can use as your main base image from your device's camera roll. Once you select an image, you'll be taken to this edit screen. From the bottom menu, scroll and find Add Photo. Now, choose the second image to blend into the portrait. After selecting the image, tap on Add at the top right. Now you will see that you have added another layer of image. You can now go ahead and zoom in to the part that you'd like to add as an overlay. And once you find the part, you can then tap on the Blend button at the bottom. Now scroll through the blend menu and there are a couple of other options such as lighten, screen, overlay. The overlay option usually works best for the double exposure, so after making that selection, you can then go ahead and save the change at the top right corner by tapping apply. You can also choose other blend options that works best for your image and save the change. And that's how you easily create double exposure in Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Picsart tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.